Okay, welcome to AIS Music Studio. Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As you noticed, on the last video we were inking, but we're going to stop. We're going to stop inking for a reason. And the reason that we are going to stop inking is because today we're going to create a new scene. Because this is what I'm planning to do. As you know, the dog is right here. Okay, he's on the ground. He's on the ground. He's probably crying. Okay, he's crying. So he's going to start running. He's going to start running this way. When he runs this way, that's when he is going to see the dog coming this way. This way. Like he's going to pretend that he's running this way, this direction. And then he's going to look at it like, what happened to him? Sorry. Like right here. He's going to be like, oh, what happened to him? So he's going to come from here all the way over here. Okay. Let me get rid of these. So I will show you how to create a new scene, how to get ready for a new scene. So let me go back and show you exactly what I mean. Okay, let's go to the last scene. I think is this the one that I was talking about? Let me see. Let's go back to this. Edit mode. Yes, this is it. So if we go, this is what we want. We want this part over here. That's the part that we want. See, he's already on the floor and he is going to run as fast as he can. So we're going to animate him running this way, whoop, and going this direction. That direction is where the gorilla is. So that's what we need to do. So we need these. We need him. We don't need this part. We don't need these. What else? We need the food in the same place. So we need the background. Yes. The only thing we don't need is this hand and this and the animation. So let's do this. Let's create. Let's go back over here. Let's go to. Let's move this one out of the way by left click. Take this one. This is the one that where the dog is laying down. So that is. So let's go create. We come over here where it says new. See where it says new? Click on that. And let's say this one is. Press OK. We can change it right now. And this is scene number, since now this is scene number 7. This is going to be 8 and this is going to be 7. So let's go back and change this one first. Here. It's going to be 8. And this one is going to be 7. Enter 7. So good. So this is 7. This one is 8. That's what we want. Now running. This one is running. Scared. Cannot see. I need new glasses. I can't see those. Let me use the other ones. Yeah, I can see better with this one. Okay. It's scared. Okay, good. All right, so we have a new one. Now, this is another thing that we will do. You take these, and you're going to see a red box. When you see a red box, you let go. Oop. So you put it in the right exact place. Blender will do that for you. Do this same with this one. When you see a red box, let go And that's it. Now this one, it goes all the way here to 1470. And remember that I changed that from seconds to keyframes. And that's the reason. Okay, so 1470 here. We need to change the end of it to 1470. And you see the line changed. Okay, so we're extending it to 1470. So let's go back to this, which is, of course, is empty. See, this is the only thing that we have. So we are going to use this. We're going to delete this, but we're not deleting it right now. Don't delete it right now. Let's go here and here. The camera, we're going to delete that one too. Here, here. And just leave it like that, because we're going to delete those items, okay? So let's go back to VSE right here. Let's go to that scene where the dog is on the floor, on the ground, I mean. I think it's scene number 6. And let's go back to it. Yes, that's it. Let's go to object mode. Select all of them, all of the file. Right click on it and then copy. So we selected, all the selected data will be copied. Okay, so we're going to copy this one. Then we will go back here and then go to scene number 1. Go to scene number 7. Click on it. Then go back to edit mode. Click over here on this collection and right click on it. Then paste. Okay, we have transferred all of the files. Right now we're using this camera right here. We're still using this. So what we will do is, let's delete these. Let's hide the sky, we don't need it. Let's hide the blade. We're gonna get rid of this collection 5. The clouds. This one is the mountains. Yes. So what we're going to do next is we are going to delete these ones. And that's why I marked them, so I can say, oh, okay, these are the ones that I need to get rid of it. So here, right click on it, delete. And here's the other one right there. This one, delete. And that's it. Okay, so now we're not using any camera because we deleted it. But that's fine, because we're going to use this one. Okay, we're going to click on it, this one here. Click on that one, press 0. There you go. That's it. Now we do not, we don't need this, this effect over here. We're going to right click on it and delete it. Okay. Another thing that we do not need is the animation. Let's go to character, this one. We don't need the dog. Yeah, we need the dog in this, but the holding arm, we don't need that one. So right click on it and delete that one. Okay. So the last thing that we will have is the dog, this one, and the eyebrow. So we need this. We need the dog, but we don't need this pose. So if we click on this, we notice that we have some keyframes. See, we have created some keyframes. Now, even for the eyebrows, we have created some keyframes too. So that will be an easy fix. We can easily go to animation over here, right there, and delete that. See, clear animation data. If we do that, all the animation will be cleared. So that's how you prepare, and you prepare a scene for your next animation. Okay, so let's go back over here. Here it is. This is the scene number 8. See, this is scene number 8. Go back. We have scene number 6. There it is. Then after this, we're gonna switch, and we gotta make sure that these, see, we gotta make sure that the plate, this plate, is covering this area over here. Okay, because we will put it in the same position. You see this plate over here? That has to be on the same position. So if we go back here to this one, we will see that the plate the plate has some animation in it. I noticed that. So where is the animation for the plate? Let's see the plate. See how the plate moves from one place to another? That means that plate has some animation in it. There it is right there. Click on here's the animation. So we don't want that. The only one that we want is this right over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on these. Let's delete that. Yes, but still it's moving because it still have these two. See? So let's take this. Click on that one. Let's see. Yep. Alt A. There you go. Now if I press play, it should stay in the same place. See? I just want to say I just hope that you learned something today, and subscribe, and thank you for being part of this community. And don't forget to save and subscribe.